Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got to another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and see all participants on Google Meet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, we're simply gonna go ahead step into our video. For the matter, first of all, you're gonna go ahead access your particular Google Meet and simply go ahead start your particular meeting, right? And afterwards this kind of interface gonna appear. So for that you have to tap on this three dot icon just given over here, aka the more option, and then you're gonna find this option called change layout, right? Go ahead, tap on this change layout, and now it does have the auto, and you can simply go ahead say this tile, spotlight, and the sidebar, etc. First of all, you're gonna choose the auto and you're gonna go ahead go back, right? Once you have chosen it, you can choose to make the tiles however many you want, 16, 30, and the maximum is 49. You're gonna go ahead go to 9, and then you're gonna go back, and that way you will have all the participants in the 9 tiles and you can simply view them. So if you would like to change it as well, again you can go to this more option and you can tap on change layout and again change it to however you would like. That is simply the way for you to change the layout and see all the participants at once. And that is it, guys. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be seeing you guys in our next video.